Found you in the quiet of an ordinary day, a spark that lit the shadows and chased the dark away.
You smile like you already knew the rhythm of my heart,
And so